Just listen and enjoy. They say classic car, they don't look like cars today. They don't even smell like cars today. They don't even drive like cars today. Is that true?
But Talal, they don't feel like cars today.
Really? What do you mean?
They're lighter, they're simpler, they're more direct. Communication between your fingertips and what's going on the road, whole other level. My name is Asil. I own a company called Speedbird, and we advertise on Doobie Cars. And we specialize in post-war classic cars, such as this beautiful first-generation Golf GTI.
Asil, brother, I have a lot of question about this car, okay? Because classic car is a whole word. Not a lot of people know about it. And there's a very small community here in the GCC region, I would say. I would love to meet this beauty right here. Tell me, what do you like most of it? What's special about this car? Because I really don't know.
This thing here, it's a simple recipe. It's super light. It's a relatively powerful engine for how light the car is. Extremely direct steering and just a joy to drive. And this one, rather tastefully in my opinion, has the Pirelli Edition wheels. So looks the part, designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro, who designed the BMW M1 and many other great cars like the Iso Grifo. I mean, for me, it's the whole package. I love it.
That's awesome. Okay, what a beauty of interior, mashallah. But I have a simple question. It's manual gear first, right?
Yes, 5-speed.
Why does thing look like a golf ball, you know?
Because it's a Golf GTI.
Golf GTI?
Clever little marketing. Volkswagen Golf with the golf ball gear knob.
Now I know. You know, I love it, honestly, but I see that it doesn't have a remote start or keyless entry, right? It doesn't open.
Talal, it's from 1981. You just pull the handle and the door opens.
So walk me through the transmission and engine.
So it's a 5-speed gearbox, lovely gearbox, 1.8 litre engine, nice and punchy, which is quite a big engine for this time and for this car. And if you can see by those seats there, they're almost a Scottish tartan design. When if you look at modern Golf GTIs, they also have a very similar design that started with this car.
It is so true, right? This is awesome. And I have how about the infotainment system that the car comes with? Apple CarPlay, Android Auto?
This is 1981. It's 10 years younger than the UAE. There's no Android Auto. You have AM, FM, a cassette player.
What is that?
AM, FM. It's
Okay.
radio frequencies.
Okay.
With this aerial, this is an aerial.
Ah, like Spotify kind of. All right, I see.
Yeah, well, yeah, imagine more like Sputnik, but okay.
All right, cool. That's awesome. So, but it doesn't come with Android Auto.
There's no Android Auto, there's no Apple CarPlay, there's no auto anything. It's all human being and car piloting a vehicle.
Type, if I buy the car by any chance and I make a screen with Android Auto, would be upset with me?
Not at all.
I like that.
It's your car, you do what you want with it.
Honestly, I love the style of the car and I love the Volkswagen.
Das ist eine Volkswagen, the people's car, which started with the Beetle, which was originally called the Volkswagen because it was a car for the people.
Ah, nice. Now I know. Now I know two things. The name and the Golf GTI. Okay, how you open this thing? It's like...
Talal, no, everything is manual, everything is...
It doesn't open like Mercedes?
No, you buy it and you can adjust, you can install that if you want.
The size of this thing, guys. What?
The biggest little car in the world.
I swear, when you look at the car from the outside, you say, what a little thing. Look at this. This is just amazing. I love the car. I love the color, honestly. You start waking up the classic spirit in me. I love this, honestly. What's your plan for the car? Like, what are you planning to do with this car?
Well, I'm hoping to find a happy new owner who will create some amazing memories over the course of the next few years or even decades and enjoy the car. These cars need to be driven. When you leave a car sitting, it doesn't drive as well. It needs to exercise, like a horse or like a human. You got to keep active, right?
Awesome. And how are you selling the car? Where are you selling the car? Like, where people can find you to buy the car?
I'm selling this car on what is genuinely my favorite marketplace in Dubai online, which is Doobie Cars.
Awesome. If you're looking to buy this beauty right here, this classic, or if you have a lot of questions like me, like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, whatever question, feel free to contact him and he will be more than happy to help you. Would you allow anybody to test drive the car?
It depends. We'll discuss. Everything is open to negotiate.
Can I have the switch?
Most certainly.
I like that. Awesome. No, this is all right. I like it. بشوفكم على خير. The door is here.